Lung capacity test. In this experiment, we will conduct a lung capacity test. Equipment and drugs.
Collector.
Respiratory sensor, filter. Disposable paper blowers. Connect the receiver. Connect the receiver to the USB interface of the computer. Start the collector host. Press and hold the power button. Start the collector. Connect the respiratory sensor. Connect the nozzle, filter, and the breathing sensor. Meanwhile, connect the input line of the respiratory sensor to the CH1 channel. Start the HPS60 software. Select the respiratory system experiment on the home page. Click on the lung capacity test. Enter the experiment overview to understand the purpose and principle. Click the return button. Enter the experiment. Learn about equipment and drugs. Prepare and observe items. Click the Start Experiment button. Start. Record the waveform for tidal volume and vital capacity. Subject stands up. Hold the breathing nozzle. Maintain a normal breathing rate and depth. Avoid consciously controlling breathing after 4 or 5 calm breaths. At the end of a quiet exhalation, try to inhale to total lung volume. Slowly and completely exhale all the gas. Residual volume. In this experiment, we actually used a respiratory flow sensor to record the original signal. The waveform recorded by the flow sensor. The zero baseline is used as the boundary between inhalation and exhalation. Above the zero baseline represents inhalation. Below the zero baseline represents exhalation. It should be noted that respiratory flow curve
is different from respiratory volume curve.
An increase represents inhalation, and a decline represents exhalation.
Respiratory volume curve is the integral curve of the flow rate curve.
Click the screenshot button to take a section. A curve containing tidal volume and vital capacity. Click on the data measurement results table and tidal volume in the data table. Move the mouse to the waveform in the waveform measurement area. Find the corresponding curve. Perform relevant measurement. The measurement results are automatically filled. Fifth, measure the maximum ventilation. The subject stands and faces away from the computer screen. Maintain a normal breathing rate and depth. After the subject takes 4 or 5 calm breaths, take the deepest and fastest breath for 10 or 15 seconds.